Alright guys, here we go. The randomization for the mini number 2 for Flames tickets. We'll get started. Alright. So we've got 5 spots going in. Dice roll is 6. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the winner is Marcella. Congratulations, Marcella. Go ahead and go on to the main and pick your spots. Again, for this one, you get 4 spots in the main for that. So go in if you want random, just comment random, and we will get you onto that list and try and get that closed up. We got 6 spots left on that one. So congratulations. Thanks, everybody.